Namaste, Hamesha Khush Raho Bitiya. My name is Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you Chhena based sweets. In our previous sessions, I teached you what is Chhena and what is the preparation of Chhena. Now, today we will make sweets from them. Then, first is Rasmalai. Rasmalai is Chhena based product prepared in a similar way as Rasgulla up to ball formation stage, followed by flattening the balls and cooking. These flattened balls are soaked in thick concentrated sweetened milk or rubbery. Rasmalai is marketed as flattened chena patties floating in the thickened sweet milk, and it is a very delicate, chewy, and spongy sweet, and it tastes better when served chilled. The method of preparation is chena is kneaded into the smooth dough along with 1 to 4% wheat flour. Dough is proportioned and rolled into balls having a smooth texture without cracks. These balls are flattened to differentiate from rasgulla balls. Flattened balls are processed like rasgulla and subsequently stored in sweetened milk thickened to one-third of its volume. Rubbery without the creamy layer can also be used instead of thickened milk to soak the cooked flattened balls. Rasmalai has limited shelf life of 3 to 5 days at refrigerated temperature. For this, milk is evaporated and concentrated, that is 50% of its original volume. Then addition of sugar, that is 4% of original milk, and addition of the flat rasgulla, heating up to 2 to 5 minutes, then cooling and chilling, then packaging and stored at less than 5 degrees Celsius. Next type of sweet is Rajbhog. Rajbhog is a variety of rasgulla and that is ballooned and larger in size than rasgulla. Diameter of these balls is around 50 to 60 and it is blended with saffron that imparts an attractive golden yellow shade to it. Chena is kneaded into the uniform dough mixed with a small amount of saffron and portioned and shaped into the balls which are almost twice the size of the rasgulla. While shaping, a sugar ball or a cardamom seed or a nut is placed at the center of the balls. Balls are cooked in 50% solution of the boiling sugar syrup till desirable body and texture is achieved. After that, balls are removed and wrapped in the silver foil. A variation of Rajbhog is Kamal Bhog that is blended with orange color and flavor. Next type of sweet is chena murki, that it is a sugar coated sweet in the shape of small cubes. Chena is kneaded and formed into 10 thick flat slab. Same slab can also be prepared from the paneer as well. It is then cut into the small cubes of about 10 cubes. Cubes are cooked in a boiling sugar syrup in kadai for 5 minutes with gentle stirring, and slightly higher concentration sugar syrup is used to promote coating over the surface, and then kadai is removed from the fire and stirring is continued till the sugar is crystallized and coated uniformly over the cubes. Cubes are then cooled and sprinkled with flavor and color and decorated with dry nut flakes. For this, chena or paneer is cut it into the cubes and then subjected to cooked in a sugar syrup and then cooled and stirred. Then we will add flavor and then packaged and stored at 4 to 6 degrees Celsius. Next type of sweet is chana pado. This is basically a baked sweet and resembling milk cake and quite popular in Odisha. Its surface has caramelized color and flavor. Chena pado is prepared by mixing chena, sugar, and semolina or maida. A paste is prepared and filled in a shallow container or tray. Surface of the product is coated with ground sugar and covered with the sal leaves. Burning coal is placed on the sal leaves and tray placed near the furnace to provide warmth for cooking. It makes the surface directly caramelized and imparts sweetish fragrance to the product. Further, it is suggested that for better quality, chena podo, chena prepared 4% fat cow milk, 20% sugar, and 5% fat maida be mixed to prepare dough, and it should be baked at 150 degrees Celsius for 80 minutes. The shelf life of chena podo is only 3 days at 30 degrees Celsius, while it is 35 days when vacuum packaged and stored at 7 degrees Celsius. Then Sandesh. Sandesh is very popular chena-based sweet delicacy of eastern part of India, mainly in West Bengal. Sandesh is preferably prepared from cow milk chena because it yields soft body and smooth texture with fine and uniform grains. Sandesh prepared from buffalo milk exhibited hard body and coarse texture. Chhena obtained with citric acid is usually preferred for the manufacture of sandesh, that is kacha gola. With high moisture is a soft grade product formed into various shapes and sizes using appropriate molds. Various sweeteners are used like sugarcane jaggery, date jaggery, and palm jaggery in addition to the cane sugar, and it is also flavored with a essence of jackfruit, orange, rose, etc. Sandesh has a firm body and smooth texture, and it is a rich source of milk proteins, fat, sucrose, and fat soluble vitamins apart from rich aroma. Then varieties of sandesh. There are three varieties of sandesh: raw grade, soft grade, and high grade, hard grade. Raw grade is a kachagola. Kachagola, as the name depicts, has chena like flavor and moist appearance, soft body, and coarse grainy texture. Soft grade is the most common variety, processing soft body and smooth texture with fine grains uniformly distributed and relatively lower amount of sugar and high moisture in it. Hard grade, that is Karapak, it is has firm body, dry appearance, and low moisture content. Next is the method of preparation of sandesh. Chena is base material for the preparation of sandesh. Chena is then kneaded or ground using a mechanical grinder to make smooth paste of chena. About 30 to 45% of sugar is added into the one portion of chena and mixture heated up to 75 degrees Celsius with continuous stirring and scraping results in pat formation in the product. The second part of the chena is added at this stage, and addition of flavor and color is optional and added according to the local preference. This pat will be molded to different shapes. And next is the rasgulla. Rasgulla, popularly known as a king of Bengal sweets, and the product was developed by the Nobin Chandra Das in 1868. Production is largely confined to the cottage and small scale industry, and KC Das used to be the brand name for Rasgulla in past. At present, many industries like Bikaner, Haldiram's Foods, etc. produce the product, and export markets for canned Rasgulla are US, some part of Europe, and UAE. Canning helps to expand distribution of Rasgulla in domestic and international market. Rasgulla resembles ping pong ball in shape, snow white in color, and possesses a spongy, slightly chewy body and juicy and smooth texture. Rasgulla balls are stored and served in a sugar syrup, and the product is flavored with kevda, pista, and rose, and sometimes scented with cardamom or pista. The preparation of rasgulla, basically we require a chena and then mixing and kneading into the dough in a planetary mixer formed into the balls, that is 8 to 10 grams of ball in proportioning machine. Then balls cooked in the sugar syrup for 14 to 15 minutes. Texture stabilization in dilute sugar syrup for 30 minutes. Transfer to the 60-degree brix sugar syrup. Then finally transfer to the 50-degree brix sugar syrup. Then cool to the 10-degree brix. Then it is subjected to the canning and then cool to 10 degrees Celsius for refrigerated storage. Then preparation of the cooking medium. Sugar syrup preparation includes dissolution of sugar in water and boiling till it is concentrated to the desired brix level. While boiling, scum appearing on the top of the surface and is scooped off before cooking the rasgulla balls. Pinch of milk can be added during boiling to remove the scum. Yield of the rasgulla is 90 to 100 rasgulla balls of diameter 30 mm can be made from 1 kg of chena, and the yield is 254 grams, that is a drain weight of rasgulla per 100 grams of cow milk chena, and 42 grams of rasgulla from per 100 grams of buffalo milk chena. Shelf life of rasgulla can be stored for 2 to 3 days at room temperature without any packaging and added preservatives. Shelf life of rasgulla in tin cans is reported to be 6 months. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in the comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this video.